Was that?
Are you deaf?
Oh, we got a cam back, everybody.
We got a person out here who's
Today we've got another police encounter where a simple situation raises a bigger question. What legal authority does the officer actually have? Because there's a big difference between asking questions and actually detaining someone. So let's watch the encounter first, then we'll break down where the Fourth Amendment comes into play.
taking pictures. He's dressed all in black. He refuses to identify himself.
Have I committed a crime?
He's looking at me like he's somebody important.
Have I committed a crime?
He's not. Apparently he wants to post this, not post mine too. It'll be a one-on-one. If he touches the fence, he'll be in violation. You have anything to say, sir?
What's your name and badge number?
Who are you?
What's your name and badge number?
I'm not an officer. Who are you? Oh, you don't have a name? Great.
What's with the attitude, sir?
I don't know. Who are you?
I'm a citizen.
A citizen of what?
The United States of America.
What does that represent to you?
I'm sorry?
What does that mean to you?
What does that mean? It means freedom.
Of what?
Freedom of press, freedom of speech, freedom to redress my government.
Is that what you're doing? Does that freedom extend to just you or me too? Oh, don't know the answer? I'll ask it slowly. Does that freedom extend to me too?
You can videotape, just videotape from the street.
I'm on the public property, ma'am.
From the sidewalk.
I'm still in public property. I'm not in restricted area. So why were you giving me attitude, sir?
Why are you giving me an attitude?
I was standing here silently.
Well, you just heard what the officer said and you're not leaving, so that means attitude.
That's not attitude.
What is it then? Disobedience?
Okay, what's your name and badge number?
Okay, she just told you to do something, you're still here. I don't get it. What's the problem?
This is incredible. Professionalism at its finest.
Fascism?
Professionalism at its finest.
Oh, I see. So you know who I am now. If an officer tells me what to do, I move.
So I'm still in the public parking lot right now. I'm not in any restricted area. I haven't touched their fence. I haven't crossed any fence line. We got this guy. He walked up, pulled his camera out, started yelling at me, giving me attitude for no reason.
He says he's a freedom, and he's saying that I'm a professional something, and he was asked to leave by an officer to go somewhere else, and he refuses. So I'm not sure who he is, what he represents. I don't know why he's here. Apparently he's some sort of disobedient person because he can't follow orders.
Was that a lawful order?
I don't know. I'm not the officer telling you. But I know if somebody else told me, an officer told me what to do, I'd move.
So we got this guy who's just looking for a Hello.
This is private property.
How so,
Private
man?
street. You can videotape
Isn't
it.
this not the public
This is
parking?
No, this is private property.
Well, how so? It has no sign saying no.
You
There's
can-
no
you can videotape.
trespassing sign, ma'am.
You can videotape all you want just from...
No, I understand, but
Come on.
there needs to be no trespassing
Listen, I'm
signs.
telling you right now, you have to get off the property.
Is
Off
that
the
a
property.
lawful order?
I'm telling you right now, you can
I'm-
videotape.
I'm
from
just
the
asking. Here, I'll
sidewalk.
turn my flash out of your face.
Thank you, I appreciate that.
It was just for this
Thank you.
this negative guy here. But is that a lawful? I mean,
I'm telling you, this is private property.
but there's no sign.
The office is now closed.
I understand, but there's no sign saying no trespassing. There's no
I'm
private
asking
property
you,
signs.
You can videotape from the sidewalk.
I understand,
All you
man. But at 602, it says it has to have posted no trespassing.
want. Okay, I'm asking you to. You can videotape from the sidewalk.
But is that a lawful order?
I'm telling you, please please stand on the sidewalk and videotape.
I understand, ma'am. I'm not being.
Don't videotape the cars.
Well, I have a right to videotape the cars if they're in public. If I can see them, I can videotape them.
Videotape them from over there. Don't stand on the sign.
I did not stand on the sign.
Don't stand on the sign and videotape.
I did not stand on the sign, ma'am. I never stood on the sign. I never touched it.
I'm asking you to step on.
May I ask what his name and badge number is since he engaged with me? Sergeant Nunez? Oh, okay, so you're a sergeant and you're acting like that?
Oh, and you're
That's
a citizen, you're acting
disgusting.
like that?
That's disgusting,
No,
Sergeant.
there is no need to discuss. You've been asked, you've willfully disobeyed, so I'm not sure what the purpose.
What's your
of this
badge
is.
number, Sergeant?
You were asked to leave.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Oh, now you're not talking.
Can I talk to you real quick?
Let me go check it.
Okay, that's all right. So we got Sergeant Nunez. He came
So
and
we
made
got
this.
a person here who claims he knows the constitutional rights.
That's insane. And he's a sergeant, guys. This is where your tax money goes
You're
to.
an officer and you're still here.
I'm harassing you?
No, I said you are still here after being asked. Do you leave to go to the sidewalk where you're allowed?
I was asking the nice. So, I'm done talking to you. You're irrational. I'll wait to talk to you when you're ready. All right.
When I ask you a question, does this extend to me? No comment. Why do you cover your face?
That's amazing. You act like that, and you're a sergeant. You act like a child, sir. How old are you?
Okay, no, I don't need to answer that, and I'm not acting like a child.
I didn't say you needed to. I just asked a
Oh,
question.
no need. No, thank you. No, thank you.
We got Sergeant 2-year-old here at the California Highway Patrol on Tyler
I'm just a
Street.
citizen here making judgment calls. I'm thinking.
So we're right here at 5109 Tyler Street at the California Highway Patrol. Meet Sergeant Nunez, everybody, the condescending, arrogant sergeant.
State my name.
I'm sorry?
What is your name?
What is my name?
Oh, now you're deaf.
See, that was the condescending attitude he gave me right when he engaged me.
And what's your explanation
My explanation for what, sir?
for being here after being told?
I have a right to be here. This is a public area.
Okay.
Aren't law enforcement stations designated safe areas for people to meet up and
Like
exchange
who? Like
stuff?
who? Give me
And
an example like who?
they're designated safe
Like
areas,
who?
aren't they?
Like
For the
who?
public, for citizens,
No, you said for exchange of what? What is that?
for exchanging gifts, for buying and selling merchandise.
Is that what you think they're for?
I'll ask the professional officer.
Oh, okay, great.
So aren't law enforcement centers designated?
Did you have a question?
Aren't law enforcement centers normally designated safe areas for citizens to meet up, say?
Yeah, like.
So that would mean they have to be public areas. Is that not right?
So if people want to do like a child exchange for safety.
Well, yeah.
Of course. Of course.
Well, so for it to be private property, it has to legally be posted. The only signage are no smoking signs.
Wait,
So do you see the
I don't
confusion?
have any- That's fine.
I know, yeah.
That's fine. Is there a reason why you want to record? I mean, it's fine if you want to
Well,
record. but
the
what if-
First Amendment gives us the right,
Okay.
and I know.
I'm well aware of the law.
Well,
I'm
that's
not to teach you.
that's the Constitution. That's the top
I'm
law.
curious why you are wanting to videotape.
Well, because I have the right to.
For what reason? I'm just curious. Go ahead and videotape all you want.
Well, yeah,
I'm
but
saying,
you.
I'm asking you.
Yeah.
For what?
Well, because I have the right. But may I interject in saying you said I can't record the cars.
I would listen.
I can record anything my eyes can see in public legally.
Okay, then stand.
The Supreme Court has ruled
I
that.
would prefer that you stand
Well,
on the sidewalk.
I
and
understand.
Videotape all you want.
But you said you
I
prefer.
would prefer.
But is that a lawful order? I'm not trying to be
You're
different.
exhausted.
I'm just trying to be technical and exact here,
If you
man.
want to videotape, you can videotape. Just do me a favor. I'm asking you to videotape.
I understand. I'm just simply. Is it a lawful order
You're-
though?
I get what you want. You want to like catch us doing something or whatever.
Well, that makes zero sense. Because if you wanted to not give me that, you would have ignored me,
Can you just go? Just stand on the sidewalk and videotape?
sir.
It's fine. He wants the interaction.
Well, sir, could I mention? Does it make sense for you guys to just ignore me if you didn't want to give me the interaction? That made no sense. Do what I want now, she says. So you heard the officer say, "Do what I want, Sergeant Nunez."
Thank you very much.
No, thank you for showing your true
thank you.
colors. Thank you for showing your true colors, Sergeant.
Thank you for showing yours.
That makes zero sense. So they said, I just wanted an interaction, but they're the ones who came and started the interaction. I was here for over 10 minutes silently filming. So this I think it was Bailey was his name. He was cool about it. He said, just let him film. So the officer finally, after all that, she said, just do what you want. That's incredible. I was trying to be rational and polite the whole time. You guys know me. Usually I'll go off. I like to say my things, but I was trying to be peaceful and rational the whole time, I think. I didn't touch the fence. I didn't ever touch the sign. So the only thing, I approached the fence line, and this off-duty sergeant over here, Sergeant Nunez. Have a good night, Sarge. I can't believe he's a sergeant acting like that. That's really despicable. I think this guy over here, Bailey, I think was his name, he should be a sergeant because he was acting more professional. That's insane. May I ask, so is this, I asked the officer, correct? Have a good night, ma'am.
Here's the deal. We have no problem with you videotaping and filming and all that.
Yeah.
It's just, we're closed now.
I understand.
We're no longer open, so it's not open for business.
I understand.
You're on private property, and that's an issue.
Well, that's what I was trying to clarify with the officer. This is, so aren't law enforcement is technically designated as, like, say, a safe area. Say 8 p.m., someone buys something off the internet, they can meet up here. That's what you guys advertise usually. There's safe meetup areas.
I don't know anything about that.
Well, so I mean, if
this is what I don't understand. What's your purpose? You're just aimlessly walking around filming anybody and everybody.
That's not correct, sir.
So then what are you doing? How can we assist you today?
That's what I was trying to clarify. You guys kept saying this is private property. That's not true. I didn't go in any restricted areas. I'm in the public parking area still.
Yeah.
I didn't touch the fence or anything.
You're filming over, and I'm just trying to establish what's the reason for it.
Well, I understand. I have the right to film, though.
We're going to work. All right. Have a good night.
Yes. May I have your name and badge number, please? Excuse me?
Yes.
Can I have a name?
Sure.
Badge number?
Sergeant Jason Ballman.
Jason Ballman. Do you have an identification?
6574. Have a good night.
Alrighty. That's crazy, man. I think I was being rational. I don't think I was being out of line at all.
So, what do we take from this? First, remember the difference between a consensual encounter and a detention. An officer can walk up and ask questions, but that doesn't automatically mean you're required to answer every one of them. Once you're actually detained, the Fourth Amendment becomes a major part of the conversation. Police generally need reasonable suspicion, specific facts supporting a reasonable belief that criminal activity may be happening. And that's the question citizens should be asking. What exactly is the legal basis for stopping me? No yelling, no arguing, no street courtroom. Just ask the question and document the answer. Because if the stop is lawful, the officer should be able to explain the basis for it. And if something goes wrong, the camera doesn't argue. It records. That's why accountability matters. The Constitution isn't anti-police. It's a limit on government power. Know your rights, stay calm, record what happens, and let the evidence speak for itself.
So they kept saying this is private property. It just makes no sense. There's no private property signage. There is no trespassing signage. They have to legally have private property signage and or no trespassing signage. Sergeant Nunez was the one who started all that. He came out all ready to get it popping for no reason. I've never seen attitude on a sergeant that quickly. That was disgusting. They try to say, I'm exhausting, I'm the one. Like, you can't answer a simple question. This is not private property. That's why there's no private property signs. I mean, it's not like I was speaking another language, man. I was speaking clear and straightforward. I was being direct. Is this private property? But they would just talk around that part. By law, you have to have signage on your property lines or on your fencing that says this is private property or no trespassing. This being a public office that citizens are allowed to come to and park here, this cannot be private property. It just makes no sense. So after all that, the officer finally said, okay, just do whatever you want. You're exhausting. That was the end of it. So if it was a lawful order at the end of the day, they would have put force behind. They would have arrested me, detained me. But they knew it was not a lawful order. That's why they just said, okay, have a good night. You're exhausting. And tried to insult me for no reason. I didn't insult anybody. See, the only signs they have on the wall are no smoking. I don't see any private property signage. There's no way this could be private property. Inside the building, after hours, yes. Inside the fences, inside restricted areas, no, I can't go in there. But right here, right over there, I can stand there legally. I can be here. What if I'm trying to take refuge in the California Highway Patrol parking lot from somebody that's following me after hours? Is that not allowed? That wouldn't make any sense. What if I'm hiding here from a car that was following me off the freeway? I took the exit and pulled in here. Is that not allowed? If that's allowed, then me being here filming has to be allowed. It's still public area. Here we go. Nice. Trying to help me out? Give me a little flash? Hey, you as well. I'm sorry?
Need anything or you good?
No, not really. Can I get your name, badge number?
Yeah, Officer Renner, 19169.
Renner?
Yes.
Renner, all right. I like your attitude, man.
You can't mess it up.
Yeah, I like your attitude.
Thank you.
Hey, you have a good one.